Hey guys, this is Jake at Performance. I just wanted to introduce to you the new 2025 Ram 1500. Wanted to highlight some features here between the model year difference going from the 2024. To start off here at the front, we're going to have all new LED lights, standard on all trim levels, all the way from the tradesman all the way to the new tungsten. To start off here, of course, the new LED lights, giving you a new grille to allow more airflow to our new 3.0 liter twin turbo inline 6 Hurricane motor. So there it is, the new motor, all new for 2025 in the Ram 1500. Nothing new here for Chrysler, as we've had this motor in our Jeep Wagoneers for a few years now. It's a great motor, giving great power and great acceleration. All right guys, so here on the back of the truck, a few new features. They have redesigned the bumper a little bit here, nothing too aesthetically different. One of the best features here, they did make the bed step a little bigger. Plenty sturdy enough, somebody can get up here, bounce on this truck, any kind of weight's gonna hold. New tail lights on the back, and one of my favorite features, when somebody's sitting in the truck or even when you're walking up with their hands full of stuff, button on the key fob, drop the tailgate. Super light, anybody can lift it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you at Performance.